3, 2, 1, live.
So today is our first studio to live stream class, and we've got the community together to learn how to live stream, but we've actually asked another member, Frankie, to have his show go live with us. He has a bicycle repair show, and it's that merging of learning and reality that I'm most interested in. And I'm sure you can see it, that there's electricity on set when it's actually happening.
Only 3 cans? That's awesome. I can like I can literally be like, feel like a real spaceship operator.
Yeah.
So helpful to see this breakdown though, like, okay, the camera shot, the audio cue. I love that.
I want everyone to feel like very supported, and that this is a space where, you know, we're handing you the keys, but we're also here too. And we're here to also like give support. We did it! Cheers! We rocked it! They said it couldn't be done and we did it!